Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, Shibadoge have actually lost about 50% of its market cap since the day Ethereum Wells stopped buying Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge market cap actually hit over $16 million market cap. Then Shibadoge was all over the news, all over the media because of Ethereum Wells purchased almost $7.3 million worth of Shibadoge token, and that Shibadoge started pumping. So many people started blogging about Shibadoge. Shibadoge really increased that period. I remember that was about a few months ago. We discovered that Shibadoge market cap then actually hit about over $16 million market cap, and we are believing Shibadoge was actually hitting towards $30 million to $50 million market cap. But today Shibadoge market cap actually dropped by 50%. Shibadoge now market cap is $8 million. Actually, Shibadoge actually even recovered a few weeks ago, because after a few days ago, Shibadoge market cap dropped to $6 million, and within the past few days, Shibadoge have actually increased by $2 million, and now the market cap of Shibadoge is about $8 million. Well, to me, I think dropping to 6 million and now going up back to 8 million. Shibadoge might be hitting back at 10 million. Gradually, I believe Shibadoge definitely is going to increase in price, in market cap, in wallet. And then we believe, of course, Shibadoge is one of the best coin. Many people believe it's the new Shiba Inu, it is the new Dogecoin, it is the new Solana. Yes, Shibadoge is going to really increase, but I think Shibadoge still needs a big player like Ethereum Wells or Robinhood to list this coin for Shibadoge to still hit a massive increase in price. They need a big partnership. They need top exchanges to list this coin. Even few weeks ago, when BigX, when IndoEX, when AEX, and then XT.com actually listed Shibadoge, we saw what happened. Shibadoge started pumping back. Shibadoge started increasing faster than we expect. That shows you that if Shibadoge can really get a major partnership, I mean, we're talking about exchanges like Gate.io, Crypto.com, Kucoin coming in for Shibadoge, definitely Shibadoge is going to really increase in price. Of course, we also believe that Binance can also list Shibadoge. Binance alone can push the price of Shibadoge to hit 500 to 1000% within few days, and then that is going to create a very good foundation for Shibadoge to increase more higher in the future. Well, to me, hitting back at $8 million market cap is good because Shibadoge actually recovered, because this time around many crypto coins are actually dropping down almost every day, and let's keep hoping to see what 2025 is going to bring for crypto industry, what 2023 rather is going to bring for crypto industry. And before the end of 2025, I believe Shibadoge is going to make us smile. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.